Hi guys, Jaleesa here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss out on future videos. So judging by the title of the video, you guys already know what it is. I am engaged. Keith proposed to me. It's been a very long time. We've been together for a very long time. We know each other very well, and I am just excited that this moment is finally here. Thank you guys first and foremost for all of the well wishes and congratulations. I have felt the love like from miles away. Thank you, thank you. But the video you're about to see is going to be a vlog type video. So my sister actually filmed this, so it's going to be from her point of view. Me and Keith we were going to sit down and do a proposal story. But I figured, why do that when you can just watch it play out, play by play? I'm super excited for y'all to watch this. So if you enjoy it, let me know down in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Just bask in my happiness right now. But I'm excited to show y'all this. So if you want to see it, just keep watching.
Hey everybody. So we just got to Myrtle Beach for a family trip. It's really not a family trip necessarily. This is make sure nobody come on. This is really a surprise trip for my sister to get engaged. For her and Keith to be engaged. She has no idea. She barely wanted to come on the trip, but we're here. She has no idea. Totally unsuspecting. Kobe, how excited are you for this engagement?
Pretty excited. Been waiting on it for a long time.
Yeah, it's like the engagement of the century.
Yep, I'm excited for her.
All right, Daddy, how you feel about the engagement? Are you ready? You got nothing else to say? You got nothing else to say?
Ready.
All right, Mama, how you feel about the engagement? You ready?
I am excited and ready for this to happen.
But I'm clearly excited. We all excited. We ready? We ready for it. She even more ready than we are. But it's gonna be a fun weekend. It's gonna be real fun. Thank you.
What's going on, bud?
He said hey to my vlog. My mama cooked breakfast for everybody. Good job.
Good job.
What's up, y'all? Did nothing. We out here on the beach. Not very crowded, as you can see. Not crowded at all.
Say to myself, you such a lucky guy. You come through, run away with me. It was just my imagination. Run away with me. But it was just my imagination. Once again, run away with me. I was just my imagination. Run away with me.
Never, never, no sweeter than you, no sweeter than you. Okay. I will never find another lover, no precious than you, no precious than you. Girl, you are supposed to me just like my mind. I pray for someone like you, and I hope that you feel the same way too.
Oh my God.
Yes, I pray that you do love me too.
so far away. All I do is go to you. Wonderful. More than anything. The irreplaceable love of my life.
What can I do, girl? Sing it. So much in love, girl. I don't want your friends do.
They're just jealous of me and you. And I'll always keep you happy. 'Cause I'm still
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
still in love. Hey baby. You're the man. I know they eating cran raisins.
Raisins.
Oh, you're crazy, Paris. Yeah, we'll back you up, you know.
And leave your blanket, Linus.
Keep the blanket. Keep the blanket if you want.
My God.
This one.
All right.
Oh my God. Gotta drink some liquid courage. Here I am. Stop where you stand.
What you need is a lover. Yeah, somebody to take over. There you go, real man. There you
Don't
go.
look any further. Don't look any further. Tonight we're gonna take a little paradise. Rock it all night long. Rock it all night long. Daylight, I'll be looking in your heavenly eyes. And we'll go on and on and on and on. There yo, Mamba G.I.O. Don't look any further. There Mamba G.I.O.
Don't look any further, further. Oh, there you go, rock with it, rock with it.
Hey, intermission.
There you go, really.
Deo, Mamba G.I.O.
That was good. You like that?
All right.
Good job, you guys.
I know you wonder why everybody's singing love songs. Do you want to still keep putting up me? Will you marry me?
All right.
All right.
Engaged. Yep.
How do you feel?
Yep.
All right.
All right. You know how hard it was to keep that. Let's see. It's
But you gotta,
nice.
It might not fit all the way. They say you just bring it in and give them my number. They'll resize it for you.
Cute.
Yeah.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.